the problem, you know. So I feel like kids like this, I can feel better them being close to me because
ball. So she's asking for the ball.
She's asking for the ball. So I feel good, you know, when I'm with this kid, and I feel like it's good because, guys, I went through a lot when I was growing up. So I feel like it's good when I help kids like this, you know, to be happy in life. And you know, this is a village, and you know what we go through in the village.
Yeah, exactly.
And guys, if you've not seen my videos, I've shown a lot of small kids like 12, 11 years old hustling, you know, for Christmas clothes, doing things for themselves. So I feel like I'm there to do things for them because they are kids, you know. Yeah, so I really love kids, and I appreciate, like, a kid like this. I would feel happy to help her, you know, to be what she wants to be in life, you know. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Sema hello.
Hello. Sema hello.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So beautiful. She's a girl, not a boy. She's a girl.
Say something. Hello. Yeah. So
And
guys.
there's more here. Hey,
Yeah.
they love mangoes.
Yes.
Kula tu
Here
maembe.
guys. Kula maembe. You have a lot of mangoes here, by the way, and the guavas.
The problem, you know. So I feel like kids like this, I can feel better them being close to me because
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maja_KE, guys. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, sharing the video, guys. Yo, we are here, we are back. Sorry, I have a flu due to heavy rains here in our village, guys. I don't know where you're watching me from, if you have heavy rains over there. And yeah, so over here in our village we have heavy rains, and people are really planting. People are really like planting like baby kales and everything, because this is the season of maybe you can get good fruits of kales, and maybe and whatever you want to plant here in the village, be it veggies, be it maize, be it wheat. It's the season, guys, of now planting. And others also there are uprooting the good maybe maize and everything. So guys, if you're new here, this is Maja_KE. Welcome back, and I'm going to tell you where I'm coming live from. So we have some mangoes here. Hi, mambo. Mko poa? Mnafanya nini?
Tuna maembe.
Simu nitolee moja. So, hii kubwa. So guys, I'm trying to tell the kids here to give me one mango. I really like the unripe mango. They are so sweet, especially when you get them with just here. Yes. Aye. Shika. One. Sindio. So they are very nice. Look at this one here, guys. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. So you want mango? Come. So we are taking mango from here. Okay, what's your name? Joe? John. Okay. Hey. Aye. So let me take one for yeah. So this is the village life, guys. Very nice mangoes here. Yeah, so we have guys here playing, guys. I don't know if you can guess this place where I'm coming live from. Yeah, so because of rain, and we really get rain very early. Today it was raining in the morning. So let me just go to the point and let's see the surprise I have for you guys. Yeah. So I'm here at this beautiful compound here, guys. Beautiful place. And yeah, so we have a friend here.
Wow, guys. Hello, man. Yeah, what's up, guys? Maja, welcome at my home, man.
Thank you so much, bro.
I have to say that, by welcoming you.
Yeah.
Actually, guys, my name is Viri Jonah. This is my small village, guys, and Maja decided today to visit me, man, and which is so good, man.
Yeah.
We have a lot to talk with Maja, and as brothers we do it, man. So kindly, I'm just a village boy, the same as Maja.
Yeah.
And at the same time I'm a YouTuber, the same way as my brother. So kindly check me up at Viri Jonah.
Yeah.
Subscribe, guys. Share, tell me you're coming from Maja, and it's gonna be one big laugh, man.
Yeah.
I love children, that's why you see me,
Yeah, a lot of children
vibing.
here playing. Yes.
Yeah, I really love children, and I wish one time maybe my wife will give me one child,
Yes.
1 or 2 children, because, man, I feel like I'm made of this. When I see children, when I see like children playing around, like it really
Yeah.
it sometimes
You feel like
yeah, it
you're happy,
encourages
like
me, it makes me happy, Most of the time, we are men, and once you are a man, there's certain issues, you go through,
yeah.
in the family. Let's say I'm a provider here, I act like a father in our family, like this whole family you're seeing,
Yeah,
this house you're seeing here. I act like a father, so sometimes it really gets hard because you find yourself being on your own stress, you have your own stress, but at the same time you have to provide for the family,
Yeah,
you have to
exactly.
make other people happy, like kids like this. So I feel good when I'm around kids, and it really inspires me and encourages me,
Yeah.
And one time I feel like I had a plan of opening an orphanage, but right now things are really hard. I can't say that the dream is valid right now.
Dreams are valid.
Are
Yes.
valid, but right now things are really, hard, but we have to make things move. So
Yeah, but you know what I say, dreams are valid. Even if things go bad, remember God is there.
Wow.
And there's a time when you feel you are very low,
yeah,
and
it's
there's a time where that is the time where God comes in.
yeah, and
know?
decides for you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So exactly, yes.
maybe God have not came in to decide for me that Viri Jonah, this is the time now you have to do this.
Yeah.
Now do this.
Yeah.
Maybe that's
Your time is coming.
yeah. Hey, rafiki
Yes.
yangu.
Yeah.
This kid,
Yeah.
that kid has a anemia, sickle cell, and he has a problem. She doesn't speak well, because
yeah.
of that disease. So that's why she's like this. But I love kids, guys.
Yeah.
I love seeing her around. Just show them.
Yeah,
I love seeing her.
Nakula maembe. Yeah. She's
Yeah,
eating
she's
mango.
so
Yeah.
good. She's
Yeah.
really
Yeah,
beautiful.
for sure,
so
for sure.
I love being around kids, because to me that's the best moment ever, because I like kids. I really like kids because they give me positive vibes, and when I'm with
And
them,
you forget even
Yeah.
your like even
my
me at
problems.
home, when Maria she's not there, I really know she's not there because I
You
don't hear
miss-
the noise. Yeah, something is missing. Like, who is Maria? Especially right now when they are closed.
Come.
school.
I
really-
kuja. Leta hiyo mpira basi kama utaki kukuja.
Yeah.
She does. She's scared. So, like right now, guys, this is the ball they're using. So I feel like soon I'm planning to buy them a good ball.
Yeah.
Because this is a tube, and a lot of kids likes coming around me to
Playing,
play. And they love. I feel like they love this area. And most of the kids they don't have parents. Like this kid. She doesn't
Wow.
have parents,
Oh.
and she has a problem, So I feel like kids like this, I can feel better them being close to me, because
Play ball. So she's asking for the ball.
she's
Yes.
asking for the ball. So I feel good, when I'm with this kid, and I feel like it's good because, guys, I went through a lot when I was growing up, so I feel like it's good when I help kids like this, you know, to be happy in life. And you know, this is a village, and you know what we go through in the village.
Yeah, exactly.
And guys, if you've not seen my videos, I've shown a lot of small kids like 12, 11 years old hustling, you know, for Christmas clothes, doing things for themselves. So I feel like I'm there to do things for them because they are kids, you know. Yeah, so I really love kids, and I appreciate, like, a kid like this. I would feel happy to help her, you know, to be what she wants to be in life, you know. Yeah. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Say my hello.
Hello. Say my hello.
Yeah,
Yeah,
guys.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So beautiful. She's a girl, not a boy. She's a girl.
Huh? Say something. Hello. Yeah, so
Yeah,
guys.
and there's more here. Hey, too.
Yeah.
They love mangoes.
Yes.
Kula
Yeah,
tu
here
maembe.
is.
That's
Kula
a-
maembe. You have a lot of mangoes here, by the way, and the guavas and everything. So, guys, we are here. He's my good friend from long time, and today decided why not, because he was
Thank
also
you,
quiet for a long time. Not even a long time, 2 weeks or 1
2
week.
weeks, 2 weeks.
Yeah,
And then, you know, sometimes you reach a point you feel like, man, you can't be fake online, because you know there's a lot of YouTubers who goes through a lot.
Yeah,
through
for
a
sure,
lot,
for
you
sure,
know.
yes.
Kula maembe, si ndio?
Kula maembe.
Nipe nionje kidogo.
Yeah. Yeah.
So at the end of the day, guys, these YouTubers, they come out, you know, being fake. So me, I'm this guy who always like being real. When I'm stressed, you can always know that Vidi Jonah is not okay, or things are not real. So
Yeah, sure.
I've been going through a lot, you know. Within this, is it 2 weeks? 3 weeks. Almost a whole month right now. But with God, man, we appreciate. Like, let's say right now things are not moving on. I was building a toilet there.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the last time I told you like if you have stress, if something will release you from stress, is having friends close.
Yeah, to talk to,
to
advice.
have the vibes, you know.
that's
Give stories of maybe childhood, being in school, like that. You know, you don't think about the.
Yeah, and you don't get, you know, you see when you get, let's say when we are friends, like let's say like me and Maja.
Yeah.
Let's say when I feel depressed or stressed around here, I love to meet Maja, Nasto, or if Maro is around, I'll visit him. We talk 1, 2, 3, we do 1, 2, 3. So at the end of the day, no stress, only big vibes. So it's good being around friends, and I really appreciate you, brother, always coming out, you know,
Even
because
me,
I feel like he's after Maro is like Maro. How will I make it now for you people to understand? Like after Maro, he's the friend. I don't have any friend other than him and Maro. You know, they are my only friends.
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate for that, and I really see them as, you know, real people around me. So I really appreciate you, Maja, and thank you for always coming to visit me, because you are the only YouTuber from Nyabohanse. Like, let me just be honest, who always stay in touch with me. We talk a lot. Yeah. You and Maro, we talk a lot, we do a lot. So I really appreciate you, man, and thank you so much, you know, for always coming, you know.
Yeah, will always come. And also I know my sister, she's always watching my video. Sister, I know you watch so much also Vidi Jonah.
Thank you.
What do you say to my sister?
Thank you. Like, I really appreciate, like, the sister of Maja, I really appreciate you, and I thank you, like, for everything you're doing, everything you're saying. Is it everything you're saying onto us is real, nothing fake, and you know, we come out with our heart. So when I say that I appreciate you, I really mean it. So thank you so much for always coming out to support me, and always coming out, you know, to be my supporter, because without you, me, I'm nothing.
Yes.
Without Maja, I'm really nothing. Without Maja, or maybe you couldn't have known what you want to know right now. So
Yeah.
I feel like I appreciate you and I thank you. May God bless you, give you a long life, and I'm happy to see you. You know, I'm happy to see you. And you know, we human beings, we are blessed. That's all I can say. We are blessed.
Yeah.
And my sister, like, this is life. Okay, nyamaza tu tuniongea. Naongea na watu wenye hawaonekani sana.
Yeah. So sister.
So my sister, don't give up in life. We really love you. We appreciate you. I wish to meet you one time and maybe say hello. We do videos together if you will allow me, because that's how brothers do it. You know, I really appreciate you, and I'm so glad. I'm so happy for you. And me too. I'm your fan. Maybe you may not know, but through Maja, know this. I appreciate you. I'm happy to see you. No, I'm happy you're watching us.
Yes.
And I'm happy you're encouraging Maja and me too. You know, through Maja I'm being encouraged. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. And may God bless you in everything.
Yeah, and guys, you guys know, she's battling cancer, breast cancer, but now she's done her last chemo therapy. Yeah, the last one, and she will be coming home maybe.
Right now
she's in Nairobi. So she will be. I think you know.
Like Maja told me, I didn't know it was a breast cancer. Maybe I thought it's blood. But what I can just tell you, you know, like our nose are facing down. So what I can just advise you or tell you, my sister, is that never give up on anything, because God knows the reason as to why you're going through this. And don't feel like maybe
for me, I believe she's healed.
Right God now is like this. No, I just wanna give her this advice, because I know most of people, let's say me, I have something that I feel like, oh my God, why am I like this? Why is God doing this? You know, so I have to be it. You're going through this, my sister, don't give up. Don't give up, because this is life. At the end of the day, God will make you smile, and God will bring everything into light. You know, so never give up, and God is the one who knows why, as to why we are all going through all these things. You know, so never give up. And we are all the sons of the soil. You know, we will all of us, be it you are sick, not sick. So I appreciate to God the life you have today, and I believe, my sister, you will forever live long, because you know why? You know why? Because God got your back. And if God got your back, sister, you will forever smile. And I know even right now you are smiling. So take that as an encouragement and keep on pushing, because at the end of the day, these things will end. Like, diseases will come to the end. You'll be okay. You'll smile, you know. And even if, you know, this is our home, so don't be stressed. Never stress about anything. God loves you. I love you. We pray. You know what I came to realize? Most of people, like most of friends who I get, not only your sister is one of my supporters, but most of lives with cancer is that you don't have to give up, because this is all we got. This is diseases of, what will I say, life situation, you know, which you can't run from it. Maybe today or tomorrow I may be the one going through this, you know, but at the end of the day I have to accept, because this is life, you know. And if it's life, guys, if it's life.
So what I can say there, I believe in my sister. She's very strong, and the first day we knew, she didn't want to tell me, but I knew it. I cried about it. I prayed about it, and she came out strong. I was even worried more than she's worried.
Let me tell you.
But right now, she's okay.
Let me tell you.
Let's go to
go
another
strong,
story,
sister.
because
God is with you. I love you, and you will forever be alive and happy. So don't worry. And I pray for you to be really strong, you know, every day. So thank you. I appreciate you. You know, exactly. And we are praying for you. We wish you a quick recovery, because me too, like, I really pray one time to really meet you and say hello, because Man.
I think sometime you came home and you met her.
But
and
you
she was
didn't
like,
you didn't tell me the story of her.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me the story of her, but I feel like, sister, it's the right way for me to encourage you to never give up, because these all things will end and you will be happy. Yeah, and next time I'll meet you, oh my God, I'll be really, really, really happy, really happy, And thank you, Maja, for coming out.
Yeah.
God bless you. God bless you all.
Thank you.
God bless you all.
So let's go to this point, guys. So Vijay Jonah has this. Maybe are you free to walk? Vijay Jonah has this.
We can have
This machine here.
Yeah, guys.
German machine.
No, is it China machine?
German machine itself.
Guys, we have is it Maja call it German
machine.
I just call it China machine.
This is German.
China machine, guys.
This is just a bicycle.
Wow.
But look at this.
Really have big tires. Huh?
Yeah, big tires. There's some time where Vijay Jonah came to Nyabohansi to visit me, and people were like, no, now Vijay Jonah gave me the bike.
Right.
And I was riding it in the village. People were like, is this a motorbike or
yeah, people
are
like
really
wondering.
Yeah,
even here in the village, like people are like, is this a motorbike or a bicycle? But at the end of the day, they just see big tires and me, riding.
Yeah.
Then they come to realize it's just a bicycle. But I really love it because it's more flexible.
Yeah.
When you're riding it, you feel like, man, you're riding a motorbike, a big one.
Can you can you hire me so that I can
go with it?
I go with it.
You are my brother. Go with
I will bring tomorrow.
I don't have to even hire you. Go with it.
Yeah.
Take it.
Yeah. So guys, if you don't know VDJ John,
yes, man.
Yeah, this is his home here, right here. Yeah, this is where he stays.
This is where I stay. And imagine this is my house.
This is
I wish I could have shown you,
Yes.
inside.
Yeah.
But it's dirty. But if Maja wants to see it, who am I not to say yes, man? We can go in, walk around, show you around, we do more things. But thank you so much. And Maja, I really had breast cancer, so I really feel emotional, and that thing I feel like it's hitting me,
No problem.
So
it's hurting. That's why I don't want to talk about it so much, because even me it hurted me so much. So let's have a tour of this is a project that you started.
Imagine life is moving in a speed of 4. Is it 8G? I don't know how to even say. Like, imagine only this year 2024.
Yeah.
I had a house like this. House was not even like this. I had old iron. My house was made of mud, real mud.
Yeah.
Nothing like plastered or anything. My house was shagalabagala. When I mean shagalabagala, it's like even when it was raining, water was coming in the room. So one time Maro told me that, Victor, you see this house, that you're seeing it like this, you'll never see it like this. So this year 2024 was the same year I got married, and was the same year my life changed. I met people who changed my life. I don't say that I met sponsors, no. I met people who encouraged me, who made me know the real thing to do in life. So I appreciate to God for me reaching here. Like this house was really bad, but within this year I changed it. I changed the iron, plastered it, made everything better, made myself comfortable, And at the same year, imagine the same 1 year, this was the toilet we are using right now. Yeah. Like these are the toilets we are using. Imagine. Just imagine.
Yeah.
Imagine. And water is here. Yes. You just take your water from here. After using the toilet, you just pour. You just pour water like this. Yeah. Imagine. Just like this.
And then
get done. And guys, see how the toilet is.
Yeah.
Really, it's something else. But within no time, with God, He made things possible.
Everything changed in a
Imagine.
reason, and
So right now we are here.
imagine.
We are here. And I had even a plan of sleeping here.
Multi-million project or toilet.
Yeah, within no
Wow,
plan.
guys.
Within no plan.
Look at this.
God blessed us.
Yes.
You know-
Look at this, guys.
God blessed us, and
Very
we started
big.
by this. I decided maybe to finish up this room before I go to the other rooms, because maybe my wife will be coming soon and she's not comfortable using the other toilet, because these toilets are dirty. And if you use them, no, not even dirty, most of people use them, even the outsiders. So if an outsider comes here, they have UTI. At the end of the day, my wife will get UTI. So I'm planning to finish up this, only this room, maybe within this month. Then maybe when she comes back, she gets comfortable using it. But just, guys, I wanted to show you that God is big, God is big, God is making things move. So God has taken me from, building this to a mansion toilet. I call it a mansion toilet because since
mansion toilet.
since I was born, I've never built. I'm these guys who grew up believing you must go to school to make it in life, So
we all believed in that.
So I didn't make it until right now. So when I have a toilet like this, I feel like it's a house.
Yeah, exactly.
It's
You
a
see,
house,
even the shower is here. Maybe we'll put.
No, we'll remove this. We had a plan of removing this, and maybe we put this shower, this modern one, because this guy wanted to put me just a local shower. Yeah, and I wanted that shower, maybe the one that you can take it from here and go.
Exactly. Now I can get your point.
So that was the plan. That's why we didn't deal with this. We wanted it. We wanted the guy to finish up the piping.
Yeah.
Because
then
this
you
is
do
not-
the modern one.
Yeah, this is not the right piping. Then we do the modern one. We put tiles here, cover everything, finish up this. Then we do everything better.
Wow.
But the problem is, I don't have to talk. I love you. That's the problem.
Yes. You see, guys, even has this
This is a
hand wash.
basin, and this is a toilet,
Modern.
Yeah, modern one, but it's not yet washed because the toilets have not yet finished.
And also, why did you decide to maybe have this one? This one you sit on it, and this one you. Is it leaning?
Oh no, this is an English toilet and this one is Asian.
This is English.
So to me, honestly, I'm a village boy. I don't have I don't have to say that, no. Me, I'm a village boy, and I like being honest. Like when I use this toilet, I don't feel comfortable, like just sitting like this. Guys, just sitting like this.
Yeah.
And
Chatting
doing
and chatting.
business there.
And sorry for cutting you short. When you sit here, you will if you have a phone, you will chat and you forget that you're finished.
Yeah, you're finished.
Yeah.
But me, which makes me more comfortable, like the toilet that makes me more comfortable is this. Like I just come like this and I just squat.
Yeah.
Do my business.
Hey guys, Vijay Jordan is so funny. Yeah, but anyway, guys,
Do my
I really
business.
like
Finish, go.
Yeah.
That's why I decided to go. Like
it's
that's
so
why
big.
I decided to construct this. Yeah. This is for my wife. This is for me. And maybe we put a bathroom here. For taking shower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I really like the roofing because you use the
air.
The
And light.
like the roofing. You used this metal
Metal roof. Yeah.
Metal
That's
roof.
true.
Yeah, and it's very unique. This toilet, when you pass there at the road, maybe you can go this way. When you pass here, you see cars. It just lives near the road over there, like our home. So when you pass there, you'll just notice like,
What is it going
what is
on
this?
here? Yeah.
But
And a lot
imagine it's a toilet.
And a lot of people, they wonder like, how can a toilet have this whole space? Like,
Yeah.
do rain
Exactly.
gets in? Like let's say when you're using the toilet with the fume, like the
Yeah.
go to the other room. But it's not like that. This toilet is so comfortable when you're using it, like you feel like you're somewhere else, man. So I decided this
You can
idea
even
came,
put a bed there and
yeah, this idea came from my wife, so I decided to use this idea and make something unique. So Maja, we didn't deal with this room, this other room, but we want to make it maybe only a bathroom.
Yeah.
And this other one we make it
This is big like a house.
yeah, we make it a toilet. Yeah, I feel like if I could have maybe mixed this toilet and this money that I used to construct this.
Yeah. Oh, this is for this tank here.
Yeah.
You already have a tank.
Yeah, now this is for the tank. So I feel like if we could have used the money of the
Tank
the
to
bin,
finish.
you know, on this, we could have made a beautiful house. But this is more than a house. You know, when you have a toilet, you're comfortable. You can, you don't have problems. And the
you
house,
have water.
you have
can
water and
flush
everything.
your toilet. Yeah.
So the
Exactly.
house maybe will come later, and I'm planning maybe to build for mom. Maybe there.
Up there.
Yeah, there, up there.
Yes.
I want to build for mom a house there, and maybe my wife had a plan of renovating this house, making it a modern house. You know, so
Renovating or do away with it, then make it modern.
yeah, do away with it and make it maybe somehow modern.
Yeah.
Outside it will look locally, but inside it will be a modern house. So that's a plan for my wife. I don't want to go on it.
Yeah.
Maybe when she comes back in the village, she will do it, guys.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that
So,
is it.
guys, we are still working, but we still have some more questions for Vijay Jonah here. So, how is your relationship with your wife right now? Because I really understand it's right now it's a long distance relationship. How is it?
It's very hard being on a long distance relationship. I feel like maybe we find a place, sit down and talk about this, but we can move on, you know, talking about it.
Yeah.
So it's hard being on a long distance relationship. Let's say right now, you're with your wife and you have a small argument to an extent you end up not talking to each other.
Yeah.
What will you do? And you're on a long distance relationship.
Yes.
Let's say, like, for example, you, what will you do?
It's hard. Even me, I have had long distance relationship. I have been looking for a wife in Uganda, and they say they don't want long distance relationship.
Yeah.
So they say it's hard. If you will stay here, I will now be with you. Yeah. So even me, you know, I have to come back home.
Yeah, it's really
So
hard.
people don't understand. People didn't understand me on that. But they were saying I'm faking. Some were saying I'm faking. Some were saying Maja is just scripting. You know, I script. But you know, when you meet a lady in Nairobi, and for you, you love each other, and for you, you have to come back home, and she tells you like, you know, me, long distance relationship, no. If you will stay here, yes. And
so,
Nairobi is very hard. I can't stay in Nairobi. Yes.
So a long distance relationship is really hard, like to build that trust. Love, you know, communication. Sometimes it's hard because of time difference, you know. And sometimes, you know, we are human beings. You may end up in arguments. So how will you solve the arguments? You know, you have to be wise and know how to do things. So to me, I just leave everything into God, because I know that's my wife and she will be forever be my wife, because she is the one who I chose. And she is the one for me. So I don't feel like I have any other woman other than her, and I'll always appreciate her, you know, for coming into my life, because she made me. I feel like she made me be who I am today. I feel like she made a lot of people watch me today, because if maybe it wasn't for her, other people wouldn't know me. So I appreciate her every day, even though we go through a lot of challenges, you know, a lot of challenges. But I believe in God. Those are, you know, time things.
And you know, challenges in marriage, they must be there. And also, the other thing. You know, maybe people are thinking like, now you're not with your wife. Maybe
I'm with someone else.
you're
I'm
with
planning
someone
to
else.
start a relationship. with-
Another relationship.
Let me tell you,
So
Mad,
yeah.
you know, be it today, me and my wife we broke up. I won't go online talk bad about my wife.
Yeah, exactly.
Because every day, like me, let's say this woman, she saw me with my life, you know. She loved me for who I am. She made me be perfect today. So why would I tomorrow see her as a bad person and talk bad about her to people who won't even help me with anything?
Yeah,
People don't care.
Yeah,
People
don't
just want
care.
to hear what you're saying, and they take them as they want to take things. And they how will I say? They take the, let's say you've broken up with your wife, and you come outside there saying, oh, my wife was this, blah blah. At the end of the day, you'll be the one who will look as a fool.
Yeah.
So me, I'm this guy. If I have issues with my wife, I solve it with my wife.
Yeah.
When
It's
we
your
are
own
okay,
business.
Yeah, we
over
come
there.
out, you know, because she's my wife, she's my life. So I don't have
You're
to,
the one who you choose.
Yeah, I don't have to come outside there and say blah blah blah. No,
Yeah.
I'm not after people. No, even if we break up today, me, I can never say, oh, my wife was doing this to me, was like this, was doing. No, I can never do that.
Yeah.
I will forever be me.
Yeah. And you know, even for me, there's a time people are saying like, Maja, don't talk about marriage. You don't know marriage. You know. But now, we are learning.
You know why people tell you that? Because those people who advise you, maybe they are older than you. So
exactly.
Personally, you
I
think
don't
you know
know.
about but them, they are like,
know
oh my
better.
God, what is this guy saying? He
So,
doesn't know.
so what do you advise me? Even you tell me I don't know about marriage.
No.
Yeah.
Let me tell you.
Advise me, about marriage.
About marriage, it's all upon you. You know, you're the one to decide who to marry, who to love,
Good advice.
what to be with. So someone may even go see a lady who is, and they love each other. So who am I to come and tell you you don't know about relationship? You know, love is everywhere. You may find love even when you're plowing. So I don't have to
Even
advise
on the
you.
road.
Yeah, about today I may come and advise you. Let's say you're suffering today. Maja, you're really suffering with love. I advise you today. So will you listen to me? And you know the goodness of your life.
The goodness. Yeah, guys. I hope you're learning. It's a learning process and very positive vibes. Yeah, we are discussing here with my brother here, so that we can know how to help each other in bad
good,
situations
and
and
good
good
situations.
situations.
Yeah,
Exactly.
guys.
So
Yeah.
guys, we are here. This is called Mabera.
And we are moving, guys. We are just walking. You know, this is our mother's farm. She has planted
this is
cassava.
cassava.
Yeah, I always like showing my audience these things. So
Yeah, cassava is
guys,
very good.
Yeah, it's
You
really
can
good.
make porridge from this.
You can make porridge
and
out of
ugali.
this. You know these flowers? Like this grows as a tree, but on the root, that's where the fruit is. So when you pull it out, you get cassava.
And I think this one also you can maybe.
Mom used to take these leaves and they cook it.
Yes, exactly.
This is
that
what
is
I
what
got
wanted
funny
to say.
about it.
Yeah.
They used to take the leaves from the cassava and make it as greens for ugali. Let's say today we are cooking cassava ugali, and mom takes this
And
as leaves
cassava.
and cook. So we
Hey,
eat
guys.
cassava and cassava.
Cassava and
Cassava.
Cassava leaves and cassava
Cassava.
ugali. Ugalai, yeah. Hey,
You
these
enjoy.
ones are really grown
You
over
enjoy
there.
the
Yeah.
vibes.
Yes.
Yeah, you enjoy the vibes.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway,
So guys, we are just learning from each other and get to know the experience and everything. So, what do you say about your relationship? Like you are a village boy, African boy, married to
international.
International.
Man, what I can just say in relationship, let me just tell you. Don't see people smiling outside here. You think that things are easy. You think that you'll wake up today, smile? No, man, it's hard, you know. And for a relationship to be cool, or I feel like to be straight, or how will I make it? To be really nice.
Yes.
I was saying that, you know, guys, in order a relationship to be better, you have to be together. Like, that's all I believe. Like, you have to be together so that a relationship can be 100%, you know, complete. Let's say me, I got married, is it this year?
Yeah, this year.
Was it this year or last year?
This year.
Okay, this year.
This year it was
Is it January?
I can't remember.
January, yeah, January there. You know,
oh, the wedding. Yes.
Yeah, it was January there. So let's say I got married this year, you know, and me and my wife, we've not yet stayed together for a long time. So I feel like we wouldn't.
Do you miss her?
So much, bro. So much. You know, my wife is my life. When I say that my life, she's the one who even making me like smile today. Go and see my old photos, guys. My old videos. Oh my God, I was something
I always
else.
see.
I was something else. So I'm so happy. Like having my wife. I really miss her, and I really wish maybe one time she could live with me in this village, you know. Although it doesn't have everything that, you know, people from the West need, but I would just wish one time she could live with me, you know, forever, because me, I'm this guy who always love
like now she's in the village, she knows Swahili, you know.
Yeah, she learns.
Unasemaje, ni aje mzee.
Yeah. Guys, the people calling me here.
Yeah.
Julo na record, please. Acha niko na maja.
This is the place, guys. See, the cassavas are very big. The cassavas here, guys.
Give me 1 hour.
So we are from right there. We are from right there, guys.
I'm coming.
So we are still going down. This.
Wait for me. Wait for me, please.
Yeah.
Guys, we decided not to go till down because, you know, there's so much rain coming, you know, and we feel like we're gonna get rained on. And my brother is coming from, is it 200 kilometers, you know, from there to from here to Nyabohansi. We are neighbors, but it's a little bit far, so and I have a motorbike, you know. We don't feel like we have to go down to my
but
side.
I think I will come sometime, then we early, then we walk. You know, I love your bike. Or I leave you motorbike, then you give.
I give you it all. You're my brother, man. I don't have to say.
Yeah, I really appreciate, guys. I really appreciate so much. So, guys, this is Mad Love, and I really appreciate you. You know, it's not easy to tell someone like, I want to do a video with you, and you just come and do a video, but you agreed like, bro, you just come, let's do a video, and you always come, we do videos. That is the love we want. That is the love we want. Even if I don't get views, you know, the story is like, you know, when you don't get views, people will not come to you.
People will not. You know,
but try and get views. People will come to you. So, but for me, I'm not here for
views.
I'm not after views.
You are real.
I'm here to like and give you motivation and encouragement
and show people real things.
Yeah, and tell you can move from somewhere to anywhere.
That's really true.
For sure.
My last advice, what I can just tell you, you know, views are not everything. As long as in your life you're trying to be you.
Even if you get
even 1 views, no problem.
Yeah, exactly.
Even 20, no problem. Because at the end of the day, this thing is growing, and you'll get more views. So me, what I can just tell people, let's try to be real, and let's try to be us, you know. That's all. I believe in Maja. I believe in his friends because he's a real guy, you know, guys. So I appreciate him. And Maja, if you reach maybe to your home, and if maybe your sister will see this video, I want her to know that we really love her.
Yeah, so much. And she made Maja. In fact, she made me.
And
Yeah.
we really wish her, you know, to be what she wants to be in life, because we are happy. You know, we are happy when you are fine. We are happy when you're happy. So I want you to be happy, my sister. And I want you to really feel that you're being loved. We really love you. And maybe me too, personally, I really wish I could have met you maybe one time and say hello to you, because it's a great opportunity, like, you know, me having you or you knowing me. So I really appreciate, and don't take everything personal. Just say it's God's plan and be happy. You know, we love you and you are strong. You are a legend today. So forever smile, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah, for life.
Life. So guys, we are here. It's about to rain, and I want to tell you guys, this is Maj_KE, very much strong, and I really love when I converse with Vijay Jonah, converse with my fellow YouTubers. Guys, I don't know if you can see there. Oh,
Really making me feel.
yeah. So I think if you
It doesn't bite.
Oh.
Monica, come. She's a friendly. Come, Maja. Come, just come.
Yeah.
Just come. You see, Monica, come. Monica, come. Okay. Come.
oh
She doesn't
afraid
want-
yeah.
She doesn't want friends, but
Yeah.
you see.
So guys, what I was telling you about is about these kids. I think when you have like so when they close one goal, you have to go for push-ups.
Push-ups. Huh?
Push-ups, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
man.
so they are
And
playing.
I really feel great.
Yeah.
Actually, these boys didn't have a ball. I don't know where they took this ball from. Do you have a new trainer?
Yeah, there's
Ah,
Oh.
that's a coach.
yeah.
Oh,
So this is your coach.
Yeah.
Okay.
Coach Machete.
His name is
Machete.
guys.
Hey,
Machete.
yeah.
We move your speech, young.
That's really nice. How are you?
The problem that we have in our team.
Yeah. So they are playing football. So this is temporary or temporal
Post. These are temporary posts, guys, but we just want to make them permanent, because I want this to be a field where kids always come to play football,
Yeah.
their games, and I want to be holding meetings, you know, here. Maybe
Oh,
let's say
yeah.
when we have an event,
Yeah.
we hold meetings here. We do a lot. So
Wow,
right
you're
now, I'm
amazing.
planning to buy them a ball for them to be playing, you know, because they don't have a ball. And these kids are really, really struggling. They're trying to show me that they can do it, you know. They're even trying to bring a coach. Hey, coach, just come a little bit, you know. They're even trying to bring a coach, you know, to train them how to do good. So I feel like it's really, really nice, you know, yeah, to make things move. So, bro, say hello to people.
Hello,
Yes, man. Tell them your name.
I'm Parrot. I come from Mabera. And my real dream and inspiration is to nurture young talents and make them feel at least they can have something like at least to see them what they see in TV, at least to bring it to
The village.
the village, yeah.
For them to do.
for them to at least feel they are cared for. Yeah.
So what plan do you have maybe with the children?
You know, my really admiration is to see young talents being nurtured. See, it's not fair to see people idle, and you can see here there's a good field. People can enjoy themselves. at
Play
least
football.
Play football.
A lot of matches maybe they can happen.
Yeah. So you are a professional coach, or you just also inspired to be a
No, he's a
professional?
player. I know him.
Oh, a
I
player.
always see him. he's a player, but I feel like he can really show kids, you know, how to do it better. And you know, these kids don't have a ball. So I even feel like him as the coach is the one who even brought the ball for them to play. Is it?
Yeah, at some point it's true. You know, I got one coach that really mentors me, Thomas Tuchel. That coach really inspires me to be like him. So I just felt I've been training some of secondary schools. At least I've seen some good passion in me. You know? That love for football. I chose to leave alone football a little bit and concentrate on what is in my heart. So I feel football is still in me, and the little knowledge I have, I can offer.
You give. Exactly. Yeah. I was also a footballer, a very good one, guys. You know, from also my videos. So I want to end this video here, guys. It's the rain is coming, and we are going very far. Yeah, so I want to say thank you so much, bro. Yeah, may God bless you abundantly.
Man. I
Peace and love.
Too. Yeah, guys. Let me show you Maja, you know. Yeah, this is Maja. Let me stand here maybe so that we can zoom, view all of us, guys, you know. Yeah, this is it, guys.
Yeah, we want to say peace and love, positive vibes all the way. Support my brother here. Peace, 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 peace. All the way, guys. It's peace until our next video.
Yes,
watch our videos are coming up. Goodbye for now.
We forever do it, man. Kindly check me at Viri Jonas. Subscribe, guys. Tell me you're coming from Maja.
Yes.
We do it, man. Yeah, man. That's how we do it. What can you tell people who are watching you right now?
To buy us a ball. And
Just
we can
a ball.
And as I can tell them to keep playing ball. Yeah.
Because it helps them in physical fitness.
Yeah.
Oh wow! You see, even this guy, the way he's
so
not dirty, having muscles. Muscle. He's trying to gain muscle.
I don't have chest.
He has muscles. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Until our next video, kindly keep on watching. Support our brothers. Peace and love.
We appreciate you every day for life, man. Bless up.
Bless up.